What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete old iCloud backups and free up space on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. iCloud is an Apple service that lets you back up your iPhone data automatically and wirelessly. However, iCloud only gives you 5 GB of free storage, which can fill up quickly if you have multiple old backups. Even if you subscribed to extra storage, it will eventually run out, and you won't be able to back up your important iPhone data anymore or use other iCloud features like iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, and even iCloud Mail. To avoid this problem, you may want to delete old iCloud backups you don't need anymore and free up some space. Start by opening your Settings app. Go to your Apple ID section and tap on iCloud. At the very top, you will see your total storage and how much of it is occupied. Now, to delete old iCloud backups and free up space, scroll down a bit and tap on iCloud Backups. Here, if you previously backed up your device, you will see a section dedicated to all device backups. Select the device whose backup data you wish to remove and then tap on Turn off and delete from iCloud. Tap on it to confirm your action if prompted. You will immediately notice the freed up space on your iCloud Drive storage on the main iCloud settings page. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.